Lake Mead, a huge artificial lake amidst breathtaking nature. Located in the southwestern region of the United States, the lake is surrounded by the Mojave, Great Basin and Sonora deserts. The land that encircles the lake has been declared a national recreation area. It's home to unique plants as well as a variety of animals. Lake Mead contains 35 billion cubic meters of water. It was created as a result of a dam that was built on the Colorado River. With its diverse species of fish, it's extremely popular with fishing enthusiasts. The lake provides many different water sports activities. Due to its close proximity to the bustling gambling paradise of Las Vegas, the reservoir has developed into a popular recreational area for those interested in water sports or just simple relaxation. One of the best ways to experience the lake is on the Desert Princess. The pride of the Lake Mead Cruises fleet offers various tours, including a trip to the legendary Hoover Dam. This authentic 3-deck Mississippi-style paddle steamer can take up to 300 people. Its nostalgic atmosphere takes its passengers back to the times of the Old South. The construction of the Hoover Dam and the subsequent creation of Lake Mead had already been decided in 1922, nearly 10 years before the dam was actually built. The spacious and well-equipped Desert Princess is the ideal way to travel in style to the most famous of America's dams. While the captain steers the boat across the lake, a beautiful panoramic view of the fascinating landscape and mountains unfolds. A powerful paddle steamer churns up the water. On the upper decks of the ship, passengers enjoy the fresh air and spectacular views of various rock formations, of which some are over 700 million years old. Lake Mead covers an area of nearly 770 square kilometres. It's the largest man-made body of water in the Western Hemisphere. Prior to its construction, and before digging could commence on the riverbed, the water of the Colorado River was diverted through massive tunnels. The top of the Hoover Dam, which is only 14 meters wide, extends for more than 380 meters. A truly magnificent technical achievement. This world-famous dam was built in less than 5 years and was completed in 1935. Two and a half million cubic meters of concrete were used in its construction. Its 201-meter thick concrete base has been designed to contain the enormous water pressure from the lake. Several plaques that are set in the concrete base of the dam represent the different states that the USA's third longest river, the Colorado, flows through. The Hoover Dam rises majestically 221 meters above the Black Canyon. The river's water generates the electricity that supplies the glittering world of Las Vegas's casinos, in addition to various parts of Southern California. A visitor center provides detailed information about the dam. The 17 huge turbines of the Hydroelectric power station generate a daily average of 1.3 million kilowatts. The complex and hazardous building of the Hoover Dam took its toll. Nearly 100 workmen died during the course of its construction. This gigantic, awe-inspiring dam has been declared an historic national monument. It provides an important and vital supply of electricity to the southwest of the United States. At a length of 177 kilometres, the idyllic Lake Mead is also a vital source of water for the hot desert regions of both Nevada and Arizona.